What is up, Finesse family? This is Mrs. B Finesse back with a cooking edition, Finesse food. We are cooking a slow roasted steak with vegetables stew. All right, guys, so we got the veggies cut up. We got celery, onions, potatoes, carrots. I don't know about you guys, Finesse family, but when we're cutting up the vegetables, I like to use like the kitchen shears. I like to use the scissors to cut them. So we got the family cut them up. This is my daughter. She's cutting up the vegetables. And we're getting ready to stick the meat in the cooker to marinate that. Also, guys, just a couple of basic seasonings. We got our meat tenderizer, our steakhouse seasoning, and our garlic seasoning too. All right, guys, so we're cooking here in this slow cooker. We're gonna put all our items inside of that, and then we're gonna cook that and let that slow cook for the day. All right, guys, so this is really good and healthy. This is a good meal to eat because this is going to get us enough of our fruits and our vegetables. It is going to keep us satiated or keep you pretty full once you eat all the different vegetables in here. And once they marinate down, guys, it's really, really good. I like to cook this a lot. The family likes to eat this. And we're going to show you guys what it looks like when it gets done. All right. So, guys, try it out. All right, guys, you put the meat in first. All right, guys, so my daughter just finished cutting up the vegetables. So we're going to have her bring those on over here and dump them in. She's taking forever.
2 hours later.
All right, here we go. She's finally getting the vegetables in. It's going to be so good, guys. Once you get them in, you move them around. Add a little bit more seasoning. Listen, guys, if you could smell this, it smells so good. Let's check out. We're a couple hours into it simmering. Guys, it smells so good. I can't wait till it gets done. The smell is so delicious, guys.